This is fit for a 2014 through 2020 Nissan Rogue with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack, ROC25 Vortex base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the ROC25 legs, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets, part number DK396. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.